Hello guys, in this video I'll guide you on how to lock apps on your Redmi phone. Over here I am using the Redmi 15C, but it is going to work out for any Redmi phone you have. Now basically what you want to do is to head over to the settings of your Redmi device. So click on the settings icon, and then from the settings you want to just scroll down until you get to the apps settings. Select that. Now once the list of apps over here loads up, at the top you're going to see the lock apps option. Just go ahead and select that as well. Now proceed to turn this on. And now you'll be required to enter your password, PIN or pattern for the locked apps on your Redmi phone. In my case, I'll go ahead and enter my pattern. If you want a PIN or password, you can click on change password over here and then select a PIN or a password. But for this video, I will just go with a pattern. So enter my pattern over here. And then you would also be required to confirm your pattern again. So enter your pattern, PIN or password, then click on the next button over here. Now you're going to be taken to this page letting you know that if you ever forget your password, PIN or pattern to your locked apps, you would need your Xiaomi account to recover it. But this is not compulsory. You can go ahead and click on the not now option, but if you have your Xiaomi account, you can as well just go ahead and click on the add button or sign into your Xiaomi account directly from here. I already have my Xiaomi account, so I'll just click on the add button over here, and by default all of these applications are selected, so I can go ahead and just uncheck them if I don't want to lock all of these applications. But I actually want to lock the Facebook app, so I'll leave the Facebook app, and all I just have to do now is to click on the use app lock option over here. You might also get a prompt to turn on fingerprint. You can go ahead and turn it on or just leave that option so that you don't have to use your fingerprints to unlock your applications. Then you can also scroll down and lock more applications from over here. So I can go ahead and lock the music application. I can go ahead and lock my Gmail. And once you're done locking all of your applications, you don't have to do anything. Just exit from this page. And if I try to open up some of the applications I just locked, like the Facebook app now, I will actually be required to enter my password, PIN or pattern. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.